Welcome to this captivating chemistry lesson on alloys. In this lesson, we will explore what alloys are, how they are made, their properties, and why they are so useful in our everyday lives. By the end, you will be able to explain what alloys are, give examples, and understand why metals are rarely used in pure form. Let's start with pure metals. A pure metal is made up of only one type of atom. These atoms are arranged in layers that can slide over each other easily. That's why pure metals are soft, malleable, and can be easily shaped. However, this softness can make them unsuitable for many uses. Always remember that the softness of pure metals is due to the regular arrangement of atoms, not because the atoms are weak. Because the atoms in pure metals are arranged in neat layers, these layers can easily slide when a force is applied. This sliding makes the metal soft and less useful in structures like bridges or engines. So, how do we make metals stronger? To overcome the weakness of pure metals, we create alloys. An alloy is a mixture of two or more elements, and at least one of them must be a metal. For example, brass is a mixture of copper and zinc, while bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. By mixing metals, we can greatly improve their strength and durability. Note, in the exam, always write that alloys are mixtures, not compounds. This is a common mistake students make. Let's look at what happens inside an alloy. In pure metals, all atoms are the same size, forming a regular structure. In alloys, the added element has atoms of a different size. This difference distorts the layers, making it harder for them to slide over each other. As a result, alloys are stronger and harder than pure metals. Let's compare pure iron and steel. Pure iron is soft because its atoms are arranged regularly, allowing easy sliding. When carbon atoms are added, they fill gaps between the iron atoms. This prevents the layers from sliding, making steel much stronger and more useful. Here are some common alloys you should know. Brass, made from copper and zinc, is strong and resists corrosion, perfect for instruments and door handles. Bronze, made from copper and tin, is even harder and used in statues and coins. Steel, a mixture of iron and carbon, is very strong and used in construction. Stainless steel includes chromium and nickel, giving it rust resistance, ideal for kitchen tools and sinks. Students, you should be ready to give both the components and uses of common alloys. Let us solve some exam past questions. Question 1. Choose the diagram A, B, C or D in figure below that best shows the structure of an alloy. Question 2. You are asked to state the meaning of the term alloy. Explain in terms of their properties why alloys are used instead of pure metals. And give one use of stainless steel. Here are the answers to the question. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time and also re-watch to answer the questions. Let's summarize what we've learned. Alloys are mixtures that contain at least one metal. They are stronger, harder, and more resistant to corrosion than pure metals. Examples include brass, bronze, steel, and nitinol. Their properties make them essential in construction, transport, and healthcare. Thank you for learning with ACE students. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more videos. Every video includes evaluation questions to help you test your understanding. Our content is perfect for homeschooling, Google Classrooms, or private tutoring. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new science lesson.